Hello, my name is Natalia Kuznetsova and I'm a medical volunteer. I want to tell you today about what should you have in your home first aid kit, about the drugs that should be there. First of all, these are anti-allergic drugs, that is antihistamines. They help to remove the symptoms of allergy. Then, these are antiseptic drugs that can help to disinfect your skin. For example, iodine, hydrogen peroxide or chlorhexidine. These drugs are usually present in everybody's home. Then ammonia, that can help to restore your consciousness. But there are some patients who have contraindications. Then these antipyretics, they help to reduce the temperature. Then these are painkillers. They can have a fast effect. Then anti-diarrhea drugs. Then if you have any disorders in GIT, then sorbents can help you. For example, activated charcoal is quite a popular anti-sorbent that is present in every home. Then we have different bandages or plasters in case if you have any injuries or wounds. And the cold bag. It can help in hot season. Also can help to bring you around. If you have any questions, you can ask the medical volunteers and subscribe to our group in VK or come to us directly. Be healthy, take care of yourselves and your relatives. Thank you for your attention.